My name is K. Maniteja. My roll number was 240A501. I'm from CSC regular department. My subject was Basic Electrical Engineering Institution, J&H Hyderabad. Professor was Raju sir. My topic is about explain about RLC. What is RLC? RLC is a electrical electrical circuit in which resistor, inductor, and capacitor are connected either in a series or in a parallel. Their main devices from the symbol used to represent those elements in a circuit diagram, namely R for the resistor, L for inductor, C for the capacitor. What is RLC? Now, an electrical circuit that contains a resistance R and inductor L and capacitor C when where which are connected in a series or in a parallel. Those names come from the symbol used to represent those compounds in circuit diagram as shown in the diagram. Next, resistance. What is resistance? Resistance is a lamped circuit element that resist to flow some- the flow current, thereby causes a drop in voltage that though they are characterized by constant resistance main in ohms that is independent from the independent of the frequency and applicable the applied signal resistance is responsible in maintaining an equilibrium within an RLC. Now, resistance. Resistance is a positive positive electrical compound in an RLC circuit that limit the flow of current. Electrical current causes a voltage drop. We can see in the picture. Actually, inductor. Inductor are typically constructed from the coil of wire, storing energy in a magnetic field as current passes through the wire. The opposite variance in current, where the degree of opposition is known as inductive resistance. Resistance, yeah. The resistor is a passive processor of stored. A inductor is a processor electrical compound that store store energy in a magnetic field when an electrical current passes through it. It is also known as pole shock or reactor, as shown before. Capacitor, where inductors store energy in a magnetic field, capacitors store energy in electrical field. Those are the different fields which we can store energy. Capacitor oppose variable variation in voltage, where a degree of opposition is known as capacitive react, res- reactance. A circuit compound that temporarily stores electrical energy through distributed charge particles on generally two-type tubulets create a potential difference. A capacitor can take a short time than a battery to charge up and it may release energy very quickly. Those are the bad capacitors. What are the types? How many types of RL circuit? There are three types of RL circuit. First one is series LCs with Thevenin power source. Second one is parallel LC with Thevenin power source. Parallel LC with Northern power source. First one, series LC with Thevenin power source. Thevenin theorem states that in a linear circuit, no matter how complex can be simplified to an equivalent circuit consisting single voltage source in with a series system connected in a load. Definition. Thevenin theorem states that any linear circuit containing several voltage source, source resistance to be simplified to Thevenin equivalent circuit with a single voltage source and resistance connected in a single voltage. As shown below. Parallel LC with Thevenin power source. Thevenin theorem is a circuit analysis method that simplifies a complex circuit into a single voltage source and a single resistance in series. Any linear circuit, for example, any linear circuit with any number of voltage source and resistance can be replaced with single voltage source in series with a resistance connected. Resistance are connected. Oh, yeah. And the last one is parallel LC with Norton power source. Norton theorem and its dual Thevenin theorem are widely used for circuit analysis, simplification, simplification and to study circuit initial condi- conditions and steady state response. As shown here, we can see, uh, according to Norton theorem, any two-terminal circuit made up of fixed value resistance of voltage source and circuit source that can be replaced by by single current source in parallel with a single resistance which produce the simple effect at a terminal is called RL parallel LCs with Norton power source.